Hello viewers, quick update. Fly OBE version 1.23 is out now. If you are not familiar, Fly OBE is a Windows 11 requirement bypass tool that let you install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. I will link my previous video about the app if you want more background. What's new? The main change is support for Windows 11 25H2 this year feature update. The developer says the app now runs smoothly on that release. There is a new extension script to upgrade to 25H2 using the enablement package. It includes capability checks and download option. That script is an optional helper for users who want to easy way to activate 25H2. Many systems can update this way without a full ISO. Setup extension were improved. Script output can now be seen in the internal log window. The interface got a few refinements, include a new Fly OBE icon in the top left of the main UI that opens app info and setting. Extension management was moved into the more menu at the top right for easier access. So that's Fly OBE 1.23. The big highlight is 25H2 readiness. 25H2 should start roll out broadly in the next few days, so keep an eye out if you are on Windows 11. Fly OBE 1.23 is becoming a popular bypass installer for Windows 11. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.